Hi, Cougars. This is Tanya again from Career Pathways and Advising, and I am doing a video here to show you guys how to register for your classes each semester. So I had another video out there on how to plan your courses and how to request your advisor's approval of your courses. So check that out if you haven't already or if you have questions about that process. So once you're ready to actually register, you're going to go ahead and log into the portal. You want to make sure that your advisor has approved your courses before you can register. So down here under the self-service menu, go ahead and click on academic planning and then student planning. And we're going to go directly to plan and schedule. And remember, it defaults to the current semester. We want to advance over to the semester we are trying to register for. I'm in as Buddy Cougar. He's a fake student, but he is trying to register for spring 2021. So you can see here, he's got all of his classes planned out. And over here, you can see a green thumbs up that says approved on all of his classes. That means that his faculty advisor has approved his courses and he is now eligible to register. So the only thing he needs to do, it's very simple, is come up here to the upper right-hand corner and click register now. You can see over here, there are register buttons under each class. We discourage you from using that option because oftentimes you'll have classes that go with labs or classes that have co-requisites required. And if you try to register for those classes one by one, you're going to get an error message. So try to stay away from using the buttons over here and just go straight up here to register now. And it usually takes just a few seconds to update your schedule and process. So you have to be patient. And then you'll see all of your classes turn green, which means that you're registered for your classes. So couple different things here. If you try to register for your classes and you do get an error message, the error message will pop up here in the upper right-hand corner of the screen. And it's going to tell you in that error message what is causing the error. So for example, if you haven't met the prerequisites for the class, it will say that. If the class is full, it will say that. So certainly if you guys, get an error and you're not sure what to do, you are more than welcome to call the advising office. Our number is 308-635-6000 or email pathways@wncc.edu or reach out to your faculty advisor directly and see if you can't troubleshoot that problem. And we can work through that with you. So that's about it. You can print your schedule here. You can save it to your iCalendar here. Don't forget to get your books before classes start. That's super important so that you're prepared. Otherwise, guys, if you have any other questions, we're always here. So just don't be afraid to reach out. Thank you.